what? Ew!
It looks like Yama.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's sick.
Can I do it?
Dong, what's your reaction, Dong?
Tinaka na yung cotton bud.
It's like tomato inside. Look. Look. It's tomato.
It's like, grabe pa. No, Tin?
Dong, what's your reaction, Dong?
No?
I know.
It's like a bird pooed on it, but it got stinky.
Dong,
Jacob. Uy.
Jacob,
Can I get the tissue?
Ew.
Just joking.
pogi.
I have to get the tissue.
No, Mom.
Pogi.
What is it?
Oh.
What?
Ew.
Hala,
Ay,
Hans.
nag-ano siya. Yung parang mamaso, ano, Tin?
Is that milk? in
Yung
the middle?
bubble.
Mm-mm.
Nagbubble.
Yeah.
Ayun o.
Ay, grabe yung nana.
It's like blister.
Oh, remember what we used to watch in YouTube?
Ew.
We were like laughing and laughing.
Ayan, di.
Ayan, karma.
Sakit. Ano ba yan?
Ayan. Ew, what's that thing?
Let's put this in YouTube.
It's more lap lap milk.
Hindi ko makapag-
Yan yung eyes.
May compress mo.
Wag mo i-compress. Ang sakit nun.
You're supposed to. Blow, Nicole.
Ew!
Ew, what's that?
Your skin.
Ang dami nagtotorture sa'yo.
This is worth it. Lol.
This is worse than going to Tita Millicent's
Ew.
house.
Ew.
After, remember when Tito Kurt cleaned Tita Millicent's cot?
Yeah, she was shouting and all. I think she was swearing too.
Josh was just like,
Ang dami pa Diaz.
But that's more sore.
Ay, may kailangan pang linisin.
Tuk.
It is, look.
laugh, Jacob.
That is troll face.
You need to clean it.
Ow.
I like surgeries. That's good.
Kinda sick to me.
Ito nag-red.
Alam mo kung ano to? Oozing with pus. Oozing. Ano? Yung lumalabas yung pus. Yung
Sumalabas yung ano.
Next, you have to clean that.
may infection nga.
Uminom na ako na antibiotic eh.
That's because you didn't read it.
Go back to your place.
Alam
No.
mo, kapabayaan na rin
Diba?
yan.
Change your
No,
waxes.
Ito pa.
Laugh.
Ay, papalitan mo yan pamaya-maya.
Ayun pa na.
Di naman.
Huwag kang tamad.
Yun na yung maliit.
Tapos sasabihin mo
Ano
sa
yun?
akin.
Yung maliit
Tapos
na yun.
sasabihin mo sa akin, anong poor hygiene? Eh, totoo naman.
Daddy,
Pakahapti.
Sinabi ko na nga,
what if
bay,
the
napansin ko
cot
eh.
was in the butt?
Kanina pa kaya yan eh. Sabi ko kay daddy, sabi niya, ano, basa lang.
Yung hair niyan.
Ako. Huwag balahin mo.
Ang sakit niyan. Ang sakit.
Masama yung sugat.
May dito kami nag-start niyo, mas malayo sa ano.
Yeah.
Talagang pinunlan talaga kami. You're brutal.
The more mo dadahan-dahanin.
You're disregarding the hair.
Hindi ko nagkakadiri.
Grabe, oh. Ay,
We need to clean it.
I
oo
know.
nga, sandali.
Mommy's just covering it so it's just...
Hina na ba yan?
Wala.
Ayan na.
Yeah, there's a big hole in it.
Gusto kong gano'n.
What happened to that?
Ay, pasa.
Ano yung ano na?
Pasa, oh.
What happened to that?
And you went out in. Yeah.
Ano, pabaya na. Napabayaan.
Poor hygiene.
Look, there's...
And that started
There's
Jacob, what would you say?
or something.
Naku, hindi kita napainom ng vitamins
Jacob, that's-
na
that's your
Centrum.
food,
Kailangan
Jacob.
mo nga pala. Hipan nyo nga.
May laway-laway pa.
Ay, huwag mo nang diinan ng gano'n.
Ayun pa.
It's funny. This is already 5-minute video.
Ayun pa, okay.
Ah!
Losing. Ayun.
But is
Jacob can't even say no.
May bigat eh.
Ito pa oh, ito pa oh.
Atras na yung nanonood sa'yo eh.
Ito pa, oh.
Jacob.
Si Jacob. Pilit na tawa. What's your reaction, guys?
Bigyan ako maraming.
What?
Oh.
But why you have to do this to me?
But why? But why?
He's like,
Tignan mo nga dyan sa first aid kit natin, babili natin. Ayan, oh. Lumalabas na ata.
Ew. Ikaw na, ikaw.
It's already bleeding.
What about down here? Wala. Meron ba
you wanna
dyan?
go down now, down?
Wag muna, wag muna. Karo mo muna siya.
Yung kabila.
Tino.
Is it in the box?
Hindi. Doon sa taas, tin. Nandun.
Zumba,
Sa tenga
zumba,
natin to eh.
zumba, zumba, zumba.